This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Troy Hensley. Beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome in the highly sought-after Baldwin Park community, offering the perfect blend of style, convenience, and low-maintenance living. A private garage and welcoming front porch set the tone for this move-in-ready home. The thoughtfully designed floor plan features a formal living room at the front of the home, while the rear living spaces flow seamlessly together, creating an ideal setting for both entertaining and everyday living. The stunning remodeled kitchen is the heart of the home, showcasing stainless steel appliances, stone countertops, a large farmhouse-style sink, and abundant workspace for cooking and gathering. Just beyond the family room, enjoy a spacious private patio that offers plenty of room for outdoor dining and relaxation without the burden of extensive yard maintenance. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms designed for comfort and privacy. The primary suite serves as a true retreat with a large walk-in closet, plantation shutters, and an updated ensuite bath. Additional features include luxury vinyl plank flooring, modern interior paint, plantation shutters throughout much of the home, and numerous thoughtful updates. Major improvements provide peace of mind, including a new roof, 2025, and new HVAC system, 2024. Ideally located within walking distance to Baldwin Park's shops, restaurants, parks, and trails, and just minutes from Winter Park, Park Avenue, downtown Orlando, and top-rated Winter Park schools. This exceptional home offers the lifestyle today's busy professionals are looking for: an unbeatable location, modern updates, and easy living. For more information, review the details below.